Third problem, second. So 101 whole power 4. Okay. First 101 whole power 4 can be split into 100 plus 1 power 4. 100 plus 1 whole power 4. Okay. What is the formula of a plus b whole power n? A plus b whole power n expansion is n c naught a power n plus n c1 a power n minus 1 multiply with b plus n c2 a power n minus 2 b square plus 1 n c n b power n. This is the formula. So a plus b expansion. So compare this one into a plus b whole power n. So a is 100, b is 1, n is 4. So how to write this one? 4c0 100 power 4. First step, 4c0 100 power 4. 4c1 100 power 3 multiply with 1 plus 4c2 100 square multiply with 1 square plus 4c3 100 times 1 power 3 plus 4c4 into 1 power 4. Okay. Now 4c0 value 4. 4c0 value 1. 1 into 1 power 4 is 4. 1 power 4 is 1 only. So 2 zeros whole power 4 means, so first this is 1 into 1 power 4 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, again 4 zeros because highest power is 4. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 crores. This one 4c1 value 4 multiply with 100 cube. So 1 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 times zeros multiply with 1 plus 4c2 value 6. 4c2 value 6. So 100 square. So 1 square value 1. 2 zeros whole square is 1 2 3 4. Again 1. 4c4 4c3 4. 4c3 4 into 100 into 1 cube value 1. 4c4 value 1 into 1 power 4 value also 1. See, 1 into anything we get the same number. So this is 10 crores plus 4 into 1 is 4. What is the number? This one 10 lakhs. So 4 into 10 lakhs 40 lakhs plus 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 10,000 60,000 plus 4 into 100 into 1. So 400 plus 1. Okay. Now see the last step. 1 plus 0 1 1 1 1. Next 0 plus 0 0 0 0. Next 4 plus 0 4 4 4. Next 0 0 0 0. Okay, right. Next 6 plus 0 6 6. Okay. Next 0 plus 0 0. Next 4 plus 0 4. So 10 lakhs 10 crores 40 lakhs 60,401. The final answer is 10 crores 40 lakhs 60,401. That equals to 1 times of anything is same number. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Plus into minus 3 4 is 12. 1 multiply with 1. How many zeros check once? 1 2 3 4. 10,000 plus 316 is 48. 48 into 100 plus into minus 1 times of 64 64. That equals to, see, 1 tens 100 thousand 10,000s lakhs 10 lakhs. So this is 10 lakhs minus 12 into 1 is 12. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 48 into 100 4,800 minus 64. See, 10 lakhs plus, first do add these two. So 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 0. Again 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 0 4. Next 0 0 1. So 10 lakhs 4,800. Add these two. Minus 1,20,000 minus 64. 1,20,064. Okay. Subtract from the from 10 lakhs 4,800 to 1,02,000 1,20,064. See, 10 lakhs 4,000 10 lakhs 4,800. Subtract 1 lakh 20,064. 1 lakh 20,064. So 0 minus 4 is 6. So 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3, 7, 4. So now this is 0, 10, again 9, 10. Okay, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8. So finally, see 1 tens, 100, 1 tens, hundreds. So 8 lakhs, 84,736. Third problem, third one, 99 power 5. 99 power 5. Okay, 99 power 5 can be written as 100 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole power 5. Okay, again 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 can be written as plus times of minus power 5. Now this is of the form a plus b whole power n. A plus b whole power n is nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b square plus so on ncn b power n. Okay. Now see this is on the form a plus b whole power n. A plus b whole power n. So n, what is n here? 5. N is 5. 5 c naught, 100 power 5, 100 power 5. Next 5 c1, less than 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 100 power 4. Okay, 100 power 4 minus 1. Plus 5 c2, 100 power 3 minus 1 square. 5 c3, 100 square minus 1 power 3. Next 5 c4, 100 minus 1 power 4. Next last step, last number 5 c5, minus 1 power 5. Okay, that equals to 5 c naught value 1. Okay, 1 times of 100 power 5. 100 power 5 means 1 to 5 times zeros, 5 times 2 zeros, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next plus 5 c1, 5, 1, 2 zeros 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Next multiply with minus 1. Plus 5 c2 value 10. 5 c2 value 10. Okay. So 1 cube 1, 2 zeros 3 times 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 square value plus 1. Okay. 5c4 value also 10. 5c4 value 10. Okay, if you don't know, use the formula NCR. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 5c2, 5c3, 10 times of 100 square. So 1 to 2 times into minus 1 cube value minus 1. 5c4 value 5 into 100 into minus 1 power 4 1 value 1. 5c5 value 1 minus 1 power 5 value minus 1. Okay, that equals to, write this step as it is, because 1 is multiplied with any number, we get the same number. 1, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, plus into minus. Okay, how many zeros are there? 5 1 is 5. How many zeros are there? 1 to 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 10 into 1 is, otherwise 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Plus into minus. 1 into 1, 1. Again 1 into 1 is 1. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 into 100 is 500. Okay. Next. Plus into minus is minus 1. Okay. Now this is plus. So first we add additions. So here 0. Next here also addition 0, 0. Right, 0. Next 0, 0, 0. So 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Okay, next. So this is completed. Next 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. Later what is there? 1. 4 zeros completed. 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, this is also completed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, now subtraction terms. Minus C. This is the value how much? Thousands, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 50 crores. 50 crores minus C. Minus 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here how many zeros are there? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1 is there. Okay. Next. Here one more 1. So add these three. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 5. So what is the final value? Minus 5, 2 zeros. 1. How many zeros are there? Next 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. Which equals to 950 99 00 459. Third problem, fourth one. 98 power 5. Okay. So 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 power 5. 100 minus 2 whole power 5. So again 100 minus 2 is 100 plus minus 2 power 5. Okay, now this is how the form a plus b whole power n. The formula of a plus b whole power n is nc naught a power n, nc1 a power n minus 1, b, nc2 a power n minus 2 b square, so on, ncn b power n. So this is how the form like this. So nc naught first. So 5 c naught a power n 100 power 5 plus 5 c1 100 power 4 minus 2 plus 5 c2 100 power 3 minus 2 square. One is increasing, second one is decreasing. Plus 5 c3 100 power 2 minus 2 power 3 plus 5 c4 100 into minus 2 power 4 plus 5 c5 minus 2 whole power 5. Now see, 5 c naught value 1, 5 c naught value 1 times. So 1 c 1 zeros 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 c1 value 5. 1 power 4 is 1. Zeros 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Into minus 2. Otherwise write first only. Plus into minus is minus into 2. Next 5 c2. 5 c2 value already I said 10. 1 power 3 is 1, zeros 3 times 1, 2, 3. Minus square value plus 2 square value 4. Okay. It is better to write plus only here because so many negative symbols are there. So write minus 2. That we will discuss about this. So 5c3. 5c3 value also 10. 100 square 10,000. Minus 2 cube. So minus 2 cube means minus cube means negative. 2 cube value 8. Next 5c4. 5c4 value 5 multiply with 100 into minus 2 power 4 is 2 multiply with 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So negative power 4 is positive only. Okay, next last 5 7 value 5 into minus 2 power 5. So minus power 5 is first minus. Okay, next 2 power 5 is 32. 2 write 5 times. Okay, this is the step as it is first step. 1 after 10 zeros. Okay, next plus into minus is minus now. Minus, okay, minus 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Still, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here one more is 0 is there, that is 5 2s are 10. Okay, next. Plus 10 into 1 is 10. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. Okay, 6 zeros. So 10 into, here 4 is there. 10 into 4. So this right, this is 40. Okay, 10 4s are 40. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. Yes. Next, plus into minus, minus 1 8 are 8. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 16 5 are 80. 16 5 are 80. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 1 into minus 32 is minus 30. Now do addition. Okay. See, I wrote here 1 after 10 zeros. Okay, next. Still here 4 is there. 4 after how many zeros are there? 3, 6, 7, 8. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 4 is there. Next 8000. Add these three. 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 1. So this is the value. 1 after 2 zeros. 4 triple 0. 4 triple 0. 8000. Minus. See this number. See. First. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2. Next. This is completed. 8 plus 3, 3 plus 0 is 0, 3, again 3. Next one. This is also completed. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Okay, still this is completed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 is there. Okay, next. Subtract this number from this number. So, subtraction meaning is 9039 207 968. Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.1, problem 3. Evaluate the following by using the binomial theorem. See the first one. 96 power 3. 96 power 3. What is the expansion of a plus b whole power n? A plus b whole power n is nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b square plus so on ncn b power n. So now 96 power 3 can be written as 100 minus 4 whole power 3. 100 minus 4 whole power 3. See, this one can be written as 100 plus minus 4. 100 plus minus 4 whole power 3. Now see, a plus b whole power n. So nc naught. So 3c naught 100 power 3 plus 3c1 100 power 3 minus 1 2. Okay, next into minus 4 plus 3c2 100 into minus 4 whole square plus 3c3 minus power 4 whole cube. Okay, 3c naught value how much? 1. 3c naught value 1. 100 cube. So 100 cube means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 cube 1, 0 cube 3 zeros, 3 zeros. 3c1 3, 100 square means 3 into 1 square value 1, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. Into minus 4 plus 3c2. 3c2 value also 3. 3 times 100 into minus 4 square value 60. Negative square value positive, 4 square value 16. 3c3 value 1. 3c3 value 1 into minus 4 cube. So minus 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64.